Form field groups are the primary way of organizing your form. They can be used to visually divide a monotone form into smaller, more manageable chunks. The organization of form fields into groups improves clarity not only on the form, but also in Designer Studio, where the admin can have an easier time managing form fields, especially in more robust processes where the number of fields can reach up to 3 digits. Groups are created and configured like regular form fields. We can place existing fields in them by dragging and dropping. Groups have their own advanced configuration. Here you can make the fields in a group horizontal. This is very useful if you want a date from and date to appearing next to each other. You can choose to display no text as the group name. This will leave only the divider bar behind. Here is what that would look like. The group also has its own CSS settings in the Style and Behavior tab. Here is what happens if you set the visibility to hidden and height to 0 pixels. It will fall in line with the other fields as if the group didn't exist. This is very useful if you want to seamlessly blend the horizontal group into your form, or if you have a group placed into a tab and the header is unnecessary. And finally, form rules that hide or show groups will do so for all the form fields inside it. This is very handy since you won't have to modify the form rule after adding fields to it. This exercise and many like it are covered during the WebCon Academy course. Click on the link to learn more about our basic and advanced courses.